Wait. Man, you are just funny. Oh, that's
On
nice.
every corner there's a giant
I didn't see it, but I saw the aftermath.
Glowing red eyes.
Close to me, dude. With a baby on board.
When it goes off, the guy wouldn't know whether he was coming or going.
Oh, someone crossed over into the carpool lane and actually cut off someone there. Of course.
We're gonna sing us a happy.
Oh no, not another boring, stupid song. Yeah, no way. Dan, you tell him, Ronnie.
Grandma got molested at the airport.
Well, we were at the game last year. We got a competitive game. You know, we were for a while. It's a game, right? Right. John, what do you think? Yeah, I think Sean's captured exactly right. It's disappointing to see the winning.
Red light runner.
What's the 6 years? 206?
Last second move over up there.
A year. What it was. Well, now we gotta leave the stadium, right? Yep. So you get on an elevator, but it's like, that's
Whoa.
crazy. That's like sardines. I can't have that, right?
Flat out, cut that guy off.
Pleasure, a right which is not guaranteed by the Constitution.
Kind of close to him, aren't
People seem to
you?
be marching for their causes these days. I have here on one.
On ramp there. Fuck! No signal. Oh, now I see it. You know, it's a funny thing that I can't see your signal when you're behind me. Sorry, what? That one right there. There we go. It's got plenty of space behind me. Oh, jeez. Wait, did that bobtail truck merge in that lane first? I'll double check the,
And you know what I'm talking about? The remember that song? The little chipmunks are singing, and then there's that guy Dave going, "All right now, chipmunks."
no
let's all
signal in
fuck
front of that truck up there.
My brother, without you stopping and making things worse. Leave these people alone. They've just been in a major traffic accident.
Yeah, you had to do that, didn't you?
Your ass off that bed. Don't you run for me. Don't you ever run from me.
You got turn signals, use them!
Don't you run. You used to have to go get
Oh,
yourself
douchebag.
to beat your own ass with.
Yep, there he goes.
Had him leave
I had a feeling you weren't going to exit.
I will be there. I won't be able to make cards tailgate thing, but I will be
What
at that
the
game.
fuck are you
By the
doing?
way, I don't know if you heard it, Joe. You made the Carton. I went into Wells Fargo to open an account.
When you come in to open a new account, one of our bankers talks to you about your goals and what services you need.
It's like meeting with a personal shopper, and he measures you, and you tell him exactly what you like. And right now, be calling number 7 at 866-540
Should I keep going up the shoulder?
866-540-9346.
I think so. Well, wasn't in his blind spot.
Latest news from around New York and around the world. Go to radio.com or cbsnewyork.com to listen live. A study of more than 700,000 British women between 50 and 69 found no.
Great. And you're just going to run the red light.
Mechanisms. What is going on down there?
We lost the transmission, sir.
Wrong side of the road.
Send these characters obviously racist accents. And fine, I will. But you're right. The planet core isn't going to be ridiculously hot or anything. Okay. Also, the whole reason the clone army came down into
What
Peru
the
was to fight the people
fuck?
here. They decided to land on the other side.
Wrong side of the road and then go straight through the left turn lane and shit.
A few moments later.
bitch. Yeah, same asshole from before, too.
A few moments later.
You're going straight from a left turn lane. You're just a dumb sack of hammers, aren't you?
No contact limited, speaking to Jet Corner Darrell Reeves, has been sidelined since November 22nd to a concussion, expects to play though. And expected to make a full recovery. He was released from a San Francisco hospital
straight
yesterday.
lane.
Scheduled mixer in Sacramento.
No signal either. I have yet to see anyone at that stop sign actually stop. What the fuck are you doing? Yeah, right in front of a truck. That is a wonderful idea, especially in the middle of an intersection. Did not even look at me.
Obviously, we never found out because on 3rd and goal from the, or 4th and goal from the 6th, they just
and he didn't make it.
Scoring all out 877-337-6666, including Brandon Marshall being very upset about the trash talk that occurred in this game. Colin Jenkins took shots at his wife for that. And they apologized, though.
That's like an exit? I think it is. You were barely in that lane for 2 seconds. How the fuck was I supposed to know you were coming here? Whoa, whoa! What the fuck? Oh, what the fuck is that? Of course, you gotta go like 50 now. Oh. Let me see. Yeah, out the left. Yep.
Back, and then with 5 minutes to go in the 4th quarter to come back. To me, I'm not ready to anoint the Jets Super Bowl
you could have kept going to the right.
To me, this could be just as much of a turning point as the Cruise game was several years ago. Plus, playing in front of the majority of a Giants crowd. I was just wondering what your thoughts were on that.
That team went more.
You'll have a chance to donate your car for 2015. How do pediatric heart problems happen?
We're gonna run the red light today.
Over the line!
Oh, why are you that close?
Aaliyah in the kitchen. Things are getting really insane. Jaden's been absorbent. If you're a boy or a girl, do not block the intersection!
That's what it is. Sorry. To me, it's if I didn't fund, I never would have paid a penny. And I would have set up a fund
Red light
for
runners.
a former player to have a fund. Right.
Yeah, it's funny. What are you doing?
But the players
Stop line's over here.
That they can't pierce the fund.
What the fuck are you? Yeah, might as well. How did you come from? Hey, what's this guy doing? Let me guess, you're gonna go straight for the left turn lane. No, you're not. You just want to get a closer look at the accident. That's probably what it is. Oh, you needed that left turn.
A lot to remain as Giants head coach, and that's on him. I don't think this is just a coaching issue. I think blame goes all the way around. But if I'm going to go out and call for Tom Coughlin's job.
Veering all over the place. What the fuck are you doing? Can you like move any slower? And what the hell are you doing? Strike. the other side of the mall. You don't have to stop. Keep going. It's 2 lanes. Keep going. You're in the right lane. Go. Go. They're altering left. You can go.
Carson Palmer and those guys came back late and won the game. Remember, there were a couple hard hits.
I'll go screw the beat of that guy.
What's Arizona's schedule? I wanted to bring up one other issue, and also for you guys will offer me your insight. Can you explain in the second half, and I've noticed it in the other areas, obviously the Giants don't have a very strong running game, but it seemed in the second half, everybody knew a run was coming.
Oh my God, you have to slow down this much? I know you were signaling, but too damn close. Up the left lane. Ten-minute delay. Another truck. That's how he gets it. Beast, the big. And last second exit up there. Whoa. What the hell is that?
Angelo in Putnam Valley. What's up, Angelo?
Yeah, Mike, can you hear me? Thanks for letting me on.
What's up?
Mike, you say I think agree, but these guys got to realize what they've had all these years. This man and his quarterback have something.
Someone went straight from right turn.
Who's ever going to be another?
Save your family over a funeral when he was hit. She's now begging the driver to turn him or herself in and explain to her how this happened. Well, police are asking anybody with any information to call 1-800-577.
Did he come from the right?
I
got a hunch, because I've seen 2 people do it already.
Holland squad improving to just 6 and 15.
I'm thankful for the win. They've been hard to come by, and I'm just excited.
Yeah, let's cut through the parking lot instead of waiting at the light.
Cover it up when guys for years have been complaining about long-term disability.
Yeah, I bet Dr. Omalu was saying that, these players had this condition, these former players, and the NFL was trying to silence them, not in a good fellow's way.
So
you got plenty of space.
The late, whatever, and now he's growing the hair out.
See how many people run it? One.
Why are you growing your hair
out? A lot.
What kind of look is that?
The hell you stop? Yes, thanks for this turn signal. U-turn. What are you doing?
Your ass on a hoverboard. Hoverboards drive me crazy. Every time I see them, I want to take it and break it in half.
Okay. Way the fuck red. Okay. Yeah, you're just gonna do that. Jeez, you're just gonna keep. Why'd you do that? Not the smartest idea.